Hey guys, this is Marquita from AtHomeWithQuita. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in for another plan with me. This is going to be in my mini happy planner. I still haven't quite decided if I'm going to switch to TN Tuesdays or if I'm going to stay mini happy planner Tuesdays because it was a toss up. About half and half of you wanted one or the other. So for now, we're going to stick with mini happy planner Tuesdays. So that's what we're doing today. So if you're new here on my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing and also giving me a big thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Without further ado, let's hop right in and go ahead and plan for next week in my mini happy planner. If you want to see that, stick around. So the stickers I'm going to be using this week are going to be the tiny icons. I just want to pull something out of here because I decided I'm going to do a rainbow spread, or I'm going to try to do a rainbow spread. So I'm going to use rainbows out of here, see if I can use that in some way. Of course, we need our memory keeping dates and holidays, and then here's the rainbow sticker book. So this is going to be the majority of what I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and hop right in. You guys already know from my classic size happy planner plan with me that I posted yesterday what my plans are. So I don't really too much need to explain too much to you. I don't have too much going on this weekend. Something did get added to the mix on Saturday though. A friend of mine's daughter is getting baptized, and so I want to definitely go and see that. And so that is the only thing that I have planned for this weekend so far. And then I am getting with a friend on Friday. I'm doing family worship with another couple, another family on Thursday. So we're all gonna have dinner and just do our family worship together, and just my standard stuff. So I don't need to talk you through it. I just can go ahead and plan it out. Plus it's gonna be a little bit of a struggle because I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do the rainbow spread in the dashboard layout. You guys know that the mini happy planner that I'm using is the Super Mom, and that has the new dashboard layout. And so it's going to be interesting because normally when you do a rainbow spread, it's like vertical. So this is like all over the place. So I'm just going to jump right in and see what I can do with this spread. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it and enjoy the music. So let's get started. guys, I'm all done with the spread. It's super cute, and so I was able to stick with that rainbow theme like I said I wanted to do. So I tried to really do all black on this side with just little pops of color so that it wouldn't clash, because I did want every day to be assigned to a specific color, and I think it turned out really cute. And then of course I wrote in my plans, and so I always forget, guys, that I'm planning a week in advance, and so I ended up planning for this week, which was fine because I hadn't planned for this week yet. So this is the current week that we're on, and then later this week I'll have to plan for next week, and I probably won't film that process. But I love how it turned out. Isn't it so cute? I'm always sometimes struggling with what to do with these pages and how to work with this layout, but I think this may have just done the trick, right? And so thank you guys for watching today. Hopefully you enjoyed this plan with me as much as I enjoyed planning it out, and you will subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and you will also give me a big thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it as well. So guys, hopefully I will catch you on the next plan with me. Next week I might do a traveler's notebook, something. I don't know yet, because I'm waiting on some stuff from Foxy Fix to arrive. And so maybe I'll show you Foxy Fix setup. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm eagerly anticipating that. So once that arrives, I will be doing a setup video. I'm just not sure when it will arrive. So that is it for this video, guys. And so hopefully I will see you on the next plan with me, and I'll catch you guys at that time.